Here's how to fix iMessage activation error. Now, if you're seeing a message that looks like this, iMessage activation, an error occurred during activation, try again. I'm going to walk you through the steps. Let's head into the settings here. Let me go all the way back. We're going to scroll down to the bottom. We're going to tap on apps at the very bottom. We need to find your messages section. So scroll down to the M section and tap on messages. Now, if I scroll down a little bit, you can see iMessage here. I'm going to turn this off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. And you'll be able to see it says waiting for activation. You want to go through the process of reactivating it and seeing if that fixes it, essentially disabling iMessage and turning it back on. If that doesn't fix it, let's go back out of here and we'll scroll to the top and we'll tap on General. At the very bottom, we'll hit Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then from here, let's tap on Reset and Reset Network Settings. You'd be surprised how many times just resetting those network settings back to factory default fixes a lot of bugs or glitches within iMessage. So hit Reset Network Settings, and that should be good to go. If that still doesn't fix it, the next thing I would recommend doing is hit the shutdown button at the very bottom. Just turn off your phone and restart it. Again, you'd be surprised how many times turning off your phone and restarting it fixes a lot of bugs or glitches on your phone. The next thing I would recommend doing is heading into a web browser and checking to make sure it's not an issue with Apple themselves. So we'll type in Apple System Status here into Google and go to Apple Status. Now, let's open this up, and what you're going to be looking for is whether there's an issue with iMessage. So zoom in here, you can see iMessage says available and it's green. If there is an issue on there and it indicates that maybe iMessage is down, then maybe you just need to wait until it gets back up and running. It's usually within an hour to 3 hours. Everything should be back up and running and you should be good to go. Now, the next thing you can do if any of those are still not working is we'll go back to settings here. We'll tap on software update and just update to the latest iOS operating system. You can see I have 18.2.1, so just update your phone to the latest version, and that should fix any kind of bugs or glitches in there. Again, a lot of times these newer software updates have bugs or fixes for various bugs, and a lot of times just upgrading will fix those. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.